What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
All right, y'all. So I realized today that on my own front door, I still have wreaths from March. So I need to get myself a little bit of Halloween done. We're gonna do two rather simple wreaths for my front doors. I think I want these guys like this, and then our bows here. So let's get these guys attached. So y'all, I'm gonna use my pick machine to put a sharp pick on the pipe cleaners. So let's get this up here and one down here. All right, so y'all, I stuck them in just a little bit. Now I'll add some hot glue and work them in a little bit more. Now, you gotta make sure you don't come out the front. Now, y'all, whenever you do double doors, I highly recommend that you get your grapevine wreaths. All right, don't worry about the bottom or the sides. Worry about the tops and try to get those tops lined up with one section on your mat, okay? Then try to get your two pumpkins lined up somewhere. So put your first one on there. I like this spot right here for him. And then you'll line up your next one the same way. All right, y'all, we're gonna take 72 inches of each ribbon. So we're gonna need 2 strips of each at 72 inches. Y'all, now we can start making our bows. So 3 different ribbons, all cut at 72 inches each. That'll give you just the right amount of ribbon to make a pretty bow. Y'all, let's do about a 10-inch tail, about a 6-inch loop, another 8 or so inch tail, point up to the top, do your loop, so we're just gonna do this 3 times. Y'all, we have this strip left, and we're gonna just start adding it, not that way. Let's go this way. All right, so now that our bow's done, we're gonna tie it off. Give it a good twist. We're gonna get this guy attached right down here. All right, so y'all, one thing for me, I like to put the bows on the opposite side as the doorknob, because if I'm reaching for the doorknob, I don't want the ribbon to tickle my hand. Like, I'm gonna think it's a spider. No, not in the dark, friends, not in the dark. All right, let's dovetail the ribbons. All right, y'all, now we're just gonna add a little bit of greenery and filler. So I'm gonna trim out all the leaves on this bush. So y'all, I'm gonna get this one glued in. All right, let's get some black leaves on the other side. All right, y'all, I've got 2 more little black stems, so I'm gonna put one on each side. Y'all, I'm just gonna start working these right around and glue them in. Glue them in. All right, so all of our purple ones are in. Let's add our orange. Just 2 quick little projects. Ready for the front door. All right, y'all, that's it for tonight. All of the ribbon, grapevine, pumpkins came from DecoExchange. The greenery came from Michael's. Michael's may still have the greenery. We are sold out of the ribbon and the pumpkins. All right, y'all, have a good night. Bye, y'all.